In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use sound effects in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll generate an AI voice in ElevenLabs, combine it with sound effects in an editor, and export a polished audio or video file ready to use. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. On the homepage, click Sign In and enter your account details. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, go to Text-to-Speech. In the left-hand menu, click Text-to-Speech to open the generation page. You'll see a text field, voice options, and basic controls. Now generate your AI voice and download the audio file. Type or paste your script into the text box. Select the voice you want to use. If you see settings like stability or style, leave them as they are unless you already know what you want. Click Generate. When the audio is ready, press play to quickly check pronunciation and pacing. If it sounds good, click Download and save the file to your computer. MP3 or WAV both work well for editing. Choose a sound effect from your library or royalty-free sources. Open your existing sound effects folder or visit a trusted royalty-free site and pick an effect that fits your moment, like a click, whoosh, or notification tone. Make sure the license allows your intended use. Download the effect and save it with your voice file so everything is easy to find. Import both the AI voice and sound effect into a video or audio editor. Open your editor, create a new project, and import the two files. Drag the AI voice onto the first track and the sound effect onto a second track. Place the playhead at the moment where the effect should happen. Then drag the sound effect clip so it aligns with that point under the narration. Adjust timing, volume, and fade in/out for smooth integration. Zoom in on the timeline for precise placement and nudge the effect left or right until it hits exactly where you want it. Lower the sound effect volume so it supports the voice without overpowering it. Start by bringing the effect down a few decibels and fine-tune from there. Add a short fade in and fade out to the effect to avoid clicks and make it feel natural. Very short fades, around a few hundred milliseconds, usually work well. If the effect overlaps important words, trim the effect or shift it slightly so the voice remains clear. Preview your project to ensure balance between voice and effects. Press play and listen from a few seconds before the effect to a few seconds after. We'll confirm the narration is clear and the effect is audible but not distracting. If the effect is too loud, pull its level down a bit more. If it's getting lost, raise it slightly. Make small timing adjustments until the effect lands exactly on cue with the spoken line or visual moment you're matching. Replay that section a couple of times until it feels seamless. Export your final audio or video with the sound effects included. Go to your editor's export or render option. Choose the format you need: audio only if you're making a podcast or voiceover, or a video format if this is part of a video project. Name your file, pick a save location, and confirm the export. When it finishes, open the exported file and play it once to verify the AI voice and the sound effects are both present and balanced. That's it.
That's
The AI voice from
soap.
ElevenLabs is now combined with your sound effects, and your final file is exported and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.